Alright, so this is some sprayable deodorant. You're going to need one of these, and also some of this. Now what you're going to do is basically cut this open, drain it out into here, and then add some isopropyl alcohol. And then you have sprayable, like deodorant. And this stuff right here is antiperspirant and deodorant. This stuff is good, and with this I can spray my back now. I can spray my stomach, I can spray my feet. It works great. I can get my whole freaking body. So if I know I'm going into it, for a night out or something like that, and I really don't want to sweat, I'll just use this instead of this, because this only gets your armpits. This has a ball thing on it. It only gets your armpits, and you can get your back with this, but it doesn't get everything because it doesn't spray the mist. Same thing with this. You can get your feet and your armpits with this, but you want to get like really in there. This thing's not. This spray is just what works. This stuff is good. This particular spray bottle, it has a pretty heavy duty tube right here. That's what you want, because this stuff can get pretty thick, and a regular perfume spray bottle won't do it. That's also why you need to add the isopropyl alcohol to get it to be nice and thin. But yeah, this stuff works really good.